Assalamu alaikum. Hi, fam. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm Hana Fuad. I create videos about building designs and tutorial. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. And if you have any questions, just please comment below. Today's video is gonna be about the lead lights of the ceiling, and this is a rendering Photoshop. I have made it from the previous drawing, and I will design similar to this one. So let's go to 3D to show you how it's look like. This is what I have rendering. It's gonna look like this, and I will try to design over here to the empty place, which is there is not any ceilings. So I'm gonna go to the ground floor, and then I will go to the slab tool. But before drawing the slab or like trying to make it in the same line, I will click on the wall and Control plus Shift plus D. I will go down, and then I'll go to the slab, draw over here small area. I'll prefer this one to make it a box, and then I will do offset around 300, and then I will go to the line tools, which is document over here, and draw this one. And then I already have the offset of this which is called the slab, so I will turn it back to this area, and then I will make the slab over here. I have this one, yeah, so I will go to the minus and click on the middle and open. So I have an open area. Let me show you how it's look like. I close this one, so I will remove it. I don't need it. So it is here, but this wall I will try to decrease it a little bit down, which is gonna be over here. I'll make it 0, but this one, so here this one I will make it a little down, 100. Okay, it's look good. Yes, so now I'm left with the interior area, so I will draw another slab also. I will click on this one, and then okay, so this is this line I don't need it anymore, so I will click on this and offset around 300. Okay, and then I will bring the line tool, draw over here. Okay, in case if you need it or you don't need it, but in case it's giving me a line over around this slab, because this slab is gonna be cut between every line. So I'm gonna go to the line tool and draw randomly lines. Click on this one, randomly lines. Okay, any shape you want it. You click, gonna keep doing like this, the shape you want it. Okay, and then here we go. So between the shapes I want to make open spaces between everyone, so you know it's gonna take a little bit time. So I will make Control plus Shift plus D over here. I'm gonna go with 1 or 2. Okay, and here it's showing me another one. Control plus Shift plus D and 2. So between them they have 40. Oh, this is the different, but it will not be a little bit visible, so we'll try to make it more bigger. So I will go with 10. Control plus Shift plus D, 10. Okay, and here also Control plus Shift plus D, 10. Now it's good. Similar thing for edge 1, like here also. Yeah, it doesn't show me how it's looking. I'll go with the line. It's gonna be much better. 10, and here also 10 for each line. So I will delete the inside. So here also the same thing. 10. Okay. Okay, we are here almost finish with one line lifted over there, which is this one. Okay, we almost finished. 10, and here also I'm gonna go a little bit down. 10. Okay, then the second step is I have drawn a line, right? So I will try to make a minus, which is subtracting the open areas. I will try to do this, but it will not be visible over here. So if I made it like that, it will not be visible. Like I see, it's subtract all of it, so it's gonna be useless, so I can't do that. So I will try to delete it and then draw by myself one by one for each open areas. So over here I have here one, the lines. I've tried to go with each the points of the line. Okay, so here one. I also have to check the dimensions so that it's gonna be more easier for me from the beginning. Okay, now I'll select again. I will fix the height, and then here 100. Okay, and I will try to finish all this, the open areas. Okay, keep doing for each one. I will bring this one over here, move it over here. So I have here 1, 2, I'm left with 4, another one. So I will draw again, slab. The dimensions are similar. Okay, here again. We come over here. I'm left with what only? Okay, good. I'm left with this one. We're almost done. Almost close over here. And it's done. Let's check on 3D how it's look like. So now it's look good. Yeah, the way we wanted. So the next step is gonna be like the first step. We finished the ceiling, which is design it as it is a slab over all. The next step is creating a light. If you want, you can remove the lines if you don't need them. So I will remove the lines under. Yeah, remove the lines over here. You can see how it's look like. Also here, and the last one over here. We are done. So the next step is creating a light. So I'm gonna go to the option element attribute surface. I will create a new, and then I'm okay with this one. Duplicate, or I can do like a new, or duplicate, or rename it in another way. This one duplicate as a copy, so I will just write a light 2 because I have the light 1, so I will click with light 2, and then I will say okay, and then change the color here to yellow. We want it like a little bit brightness, not that much yellow, and then it will be here up here in the custom. Okay, after that you can play with the reflection if you want how it's gonna look like. I'm okay with this one, and diffusion. Okay, that's good. So the rest of the things I don't need to change them. I don't need to add texture also. So I will go to the rendering surface. I'll go to the match setting and update from basic. So it is updated for me, the color, but I have to check also, okay, because the color is not visible. And then I will change here to swan. Yeah, there's a problem, which is I have to click on the lumions and change the color to this one. Here we go. I have to again fix this color because it's more brightness. I'll make it a little bit darker. So now I can see a little bit yellow color. Over here, the color is not that much, so I will click on this one. And then I go to the basic. Check the color over here. Okay. I'm okay with this and everything. Okay. I'll click OK. So I'll go to 3D. At the top, we're gonna go to the surface, and we have this one. We'll click on the light too. Okay, here over this one and the inside of them, I will click I will select them over here, which is this one, and the rest, this one. I'll click on the surface. I will check first is not matched, and then in the middle there is showing me in the side. Click on the light too. So here we go. This is how it's look like. So for the lights, I'm gonna go to the lamp tool, go over here and go into the interior lamps. So here there's different kind of the interior lamp you can use. I'm gonna go to the ceiling lamp, and here there's different shape. The previous one I haven't selected this one. Check the model, it's all good. Okay, I will click on it over here, draw it. So it's all good. Let me check on 3D. So we'll Control plus Shift plus D. I will put it a little bit up over here. So check the height here also. 5. No, it's not 5. It's gonna be 500. Okay. So then after that, I will decrease the size of it until like 100. Okay, I'm okay. And then I'll move it a little bit here. Perfect. Control plus Shift plus D to make another one copy, and Shift also to make another one in another area. Okay, and then here, oh, I need another one also in the middle to make around the whole ceiling. So this one and this and this one, we'll make it in the middle of this one. Okay, and then we are left with another middle one, which is over there, the center. I don't need this one, so I'm okay. So let's check the 3D. This is how it's look like, simple and easy. If we don't want it too light, you can change the lights over here. Like for example, I'm gonna go to the option, I am attribute surface. So I have the light tool, yeah. So the light is too much brightness, so I will like make it a little bit custom over here, yellow, and a little bit customs. Okay, click on that. Okay, I'm gonna go to the same thing for the basic engine. Click this one and click it. Okay, so it looks similar, yes, and simple. Just go to the rendering and let's check how it's look like. So it is simple. Then after that, we're gonna go to the document, rendering it, creative imaging, Photoshop project. Before doing the Photoshop rendering, we're gonna go to the photo rendering setting to check the lights over there. So here we have the quality and the lights in the rendering setting. So the lights, I'm gonna make it 120, the previous one as I made it. Here the lights showing is, the first one is brightness, the second one it is the lamp, so I'm okay with the 40. And after that, this one, animating surface intensity, is showing us for the rendering the lumen, which is giving us the reflection for the LED lights. So it is helpful to be like off, but you're gonna make it around like 110 or like 110 as you like it, and make here over there rendering to show you how it's look like. So it is look good. If I want to make it like a little bit dark, let me show me like in different more darkness, doesn't show any reflection, so I prefer to go more higher number to show me more reflection and how it's look the rendering. If you want the lights to be more, you can make it 50 or 60. I'll go with 60. This is how it's look like. So I will go to the rendering Photoshop. This is how it's look like after rendering for the LED lights of ceiling. And if you have any questions, just comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.